In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a customer review section to your Wix website. The first thing you need to do is create the interactive code for the review section. Now you might wonder how you can do that, right? Well, there is a solution called GPT that can aid you. GPT is an impressive tool that can think, plan, and generate a code just for your requirements. Open your internet browser, use your search engine, and type GPT to find the tool. Once you are on GPT's official page, it's time to generate the code needed for the review section of your site. Look around the page and find the specific option to create HTML code for a review section. Each platform or tool might have different user interfaces, but generally, this process involves filling out pertinent details like the style of the review system, the number of reviews to display, and more. These options shape how your customer review section will be presented on your Wix site. Once you have confirmed your settings on GPT, go ahead and click on the button that says Generate Code. The GPT tool will proceed to create the necessary HTML code that will power your versatile and functional review section. Do remember to save or copy this code. You'll need it in the next step when we return to your Wix website. Now let's dive into the Wix platform. Sign into your Wix account and go to your site editor. This is where you'll be making changes to your website. One of the beautiful benefits of Wix is the simplicity with which you can introduce and modify elements on your site. To add our freshly produced review code, you're looking for the plus or add button, usually found on the left-hand menu. It represents things you can add to your website, ranging from text boxes to videos. Having found and clicked the Add button, your next destination is the Embed Code section. This is the area where you can paste external codes to introduce new elements on your website. You're almost at the finish line. Choose the Embed Code option and a pop-up window will appear. This is where you can insert the HTML code generated from GPT. Paste your code into the input box and click Apply or OK. And voila, you've just added a customer review section to your Wix website. Now your visitors can leave their opinions, feedback, and testimonials, enhancing the trust and credibility of your website. Remember that you can always return to the GPT tool or Wix settings to make any necessary adjustments or modifications. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial.